Well, how you going, guys? Not too windy, a little bit of sun maybe. JD16 battery test time. Let's roll. Okay. You know when you pick something up and you know you picked it up and then you go to get it and it's not there? And you think, I'm sure I picked it up. Well, that's what's going on with this. It's just disappeared in the thin air, so that's alright. I can make do without it. Let's hook up the JD16 and get her flying. Okay, JD16 is ready to roll. I shall launch it from here. So this is just going to be a battery test, guys, so I'm not going to be going crazy doing too much silly stuff. I'll just try not to crash it. It's probably the most important thing. So let's get the recorder going. And the stopwatch will be on the screen down below, and we'll see exactly how long these batteries last for. Okay, up we go. Okay, so I'll just play around with the trim a bit. Like I said, I don't want to do too much crazy stuff with this. It's quite slow in the responding to come backwards for some reason. Let's just play around with this trim a bit more, shall we? Let's see what speed we're on. Okay, and leftward trim, full. Okay, that's not too bad there. Okay, that's 2. Let's double check that it's recording. Oh yeah, it's recording. Let's go get a bit of a height going here, shall we? On number 2 setting, guys, which is pretty quick. We'll do a bit of a demo of all 3 speeds, I think. Okay, so let's make sure the video's going. So there's speed 1. So what I'm going to do is go from the left or right to the left. If you guys can see that on the GoPro, it's right to left there. Okay, let's go from right to left now on speed 2. A little bit quicker. Okay, and speed 3, as I've mentioned in my last video, noticeably faster. Don't crash, don't crash. Come back. And it's just stopped flying. Okay, do you have picture still? It's still connected. Okay. Not too sure what happened there. Just died for no reason. Not to worry. The stopwatch was stopped accordingly, so it's still a pretty accurate test of the battery longevity. Okay, well, I'm out here, and we'll just double check that it's still recording. Where are you? There you are. Yeah, it's still hooked up, that's pretty good. Okay, let's see how fast this thing will go. Yeah, it really dips down. That's what caused the crash before. When you go full speed ahead forward on speed number 3, it tends to nosedive. No, it's all good. See if I can bring it over here so you guys can have a look at it. Let's slow things up a bit. At a glance, it's a pretty quiet unit. Again, definitely more of an indoor drone than an outdoor one. There's a slight breeze here, but lots of fun to be had out in the open. Here we go again. Tends to nosedive quite easy, this drone, so look out guys when you're playing sillies. I think I might just stick to number 2 setting. Not too sure how we're going with the battery yet. It's hard to see any LEDs on there that are flashing to warn you of low battery, but not to worry. I'm sure it'll let me know when it's about to run out of power. Just playing around with the trim a bit, trying to get her steady. See if we can get some close-up flips going here before it's too late. There's a nice little roll. Backwards roll, very nice. How about a forwards roll for us here? Yeah, ripper. Left please, very good. Right please. And how about backwards to finish off? No. Well, I think we might be getting low on batteries guys. Okay, let's bring it out here. Generally get a feel of these things when they're getting low on batteries, because things don't work, it's no longer flipping and it's sort of going its own way a bit. The trim on this could be a little bit better. I'm having trouble keeping it somewhere still. It's not really windy here. It's really having trouble staying still, so not the most stable of units. There we go, okay. There we go, flat batteries now. And stop the clock. Terrific, okay. There you have it guys. The battery test for the JD16. I wonder how it fared. I'm imagining it's about 6 minutes, 7 minutes, something like that, but we'll see. And all's well. Okay, awesome. Do I recommend this quad? I recommend it, yeah. It's a pretty good, it's a pretty fun unit. It's good for the kids. Looks pretty robust. I've knocked this a couple of times and the props haven't broken, so it's pretty cool. It seems like a fairly strong unit. Pretty basic, no SD card, camera doesn't move, but for the kids, for an indoor quad, for a sub $60 one, yeah, it's pretty good. I'm going to go and try and find my mountain now. I don't know where that is. Thanks for watching guys, and see you in the sky. Bye for now.